Hey, you guys, listen, it's cold out here. It's cold out here. I had to put something on. So, of course, I'm at my sister's house and I wanted to show you guys something. We got a greenhouse. I am so excited. We purchased this from her neighbor because they weren't using it. So what I'm about to do is clean it real good. And then I'm going to put some of that. Yeah, I don't know the name of the stuff. So that black stuff, I don't know, this stuff right here that I have under this raised bed. So I'm going to put some of this up under this, probably not today because it's about to be wet, but I'm about to clean this just to make me feel a little better. So I'm gonna clean this, and then I don't know if I'm put anything up under it today, but I am super excited. So I'm not sad to admit, I'm not afraid to admit that I have been eyeballing these people greenhouse for a minute. Like, I have been eyeballing it for a minute ever since they got it. I think it was last year they had got it, and he had put it up and everything. I saw him out in it, and then I stopped seeing him in it because I was at my sister's house a lot last year, and I just stopped seeing him in it. And I told my sister, I was like, ask them if they want to sell it, and we would buy it off of them. So I kept on nagging my sister. I've been nagging my sister for months to ask them if we can buy this greenhouse from them. And she finally asked them and we bought it. And I am so excited, you guys. I have been looking for a greenhouse for a super long time, like a good quality one. This one it's good quality, but the one that I have at my house, y'all know that little flimsy thing that I have at my house. This one right here is way better quality than what I have at my house. But anyways, you guys, like I was saying, I have been looking for greenhouses for a super long time. And these things are expensive. They're like, I want to say $700 on up. We got a pretty good deal on this one that we got from her neighbor. So I am excited again, you guys. I cannot wait to actually grow some stuff in here. Now, I did have a question for you guys. Should I get plastic shelving, or should I get wood shelving, or should I get metal shelving to put inside of the greenhouse? What would be the best? I was thinking that I should get some wood shelving. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments down below what type of shelving I should put inside of my greenhouse. I figured that if I got metal, it would rust. I figured that if I got wood, it would like mildew or mold or whatever heck grows on wood. And then plastic, I was like, I don't know. I didn't feel like anything will happen to plastic. I don't know. Again, let me know in the comments down below if I should get wood, plastic, or metal shelving to go inside of this greenhouse. Now, I do not know the size of this greenhouse, you guys. I will have to have my husband measure it because my measurements will be all off, you guys. If I measured it, like, it would be totally off. I would be like, it's 2 feet by 16. Y'all be like, what the heck, Evita? Anyways, now I know I am going to get the question, Evita, why are you cleaning this greenhouse when it's just going to get dirty again because it's outside? Yeah, I don't know. I have a weird obsession with cleaning. I just love to see things like sparkling, and I don't know. It just makes me happy. So you know what? Do what makes you happy. Cleaning makes me happy, and gardening semi makes me happy. We haven't got to that, oh, I'm so happy in my garden phase yet. But yeah, cleaning makes me happy, and I felt like I needed to clean it, so that's what I'm doing. I am just using like dishwashing liquid. I didn't want to harm like anything in the ground, so it's just regular dishwashing liquid with nothing else in it. So I don't know if you guys noticed that I have on a different jacket than what I had on before. As soon as I pulled the hose out and turned it on, that thing exploded on me. I was like, are you kidding me? It's so cold outside. And of course, I had to get a jacket for my sister. I was like, it needs to be waterproof because, the water just exploded on me, or the water hose just exploded on me. So this is what she provided to me. I don't know why she gave me a white jacket, but it is what it is. Anyways, you guys, I want to talk about what I plan on planting this spring and summer. I am extremely late with planting my seeds, but you guys, let's talk about what I want to plant real soon. I was supposed to plant or start my seeds February 1st, and I didn't, and here we are February 22nd, and I have not started not one seed. It has been so cold. Again, I like to start my seeds outside. Like I'm saying, I like to start my seeds outside. Like I've done it several times. I only did it one time last year. But anyways, I prefer to start my seeds outside. What I plan to grow is romaine lettuce, some radishes, some Simpson black seeded lettuce, some marigolds, cauliflower, carrots, and beets. That's just for the spring. For more so going into the summertime, oh, I'm sorry. I want to plant my onions and also my potatoes as well. And then going into the summertime, I'm going to do tomato, peppers, strawberries, and some more flowers, cucumbers, and some type of melon. I'm not 100% sure if I want to do green beans yet. We'll see. I know you guys are saying, Evita, here you go again, starting so many different seeds. I feel like if I don't throw myself into it and I learn one thing at a time, I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm bored. So I prefer to learn about a whole bunch of different things at once and learn from my mistakes by journaling my journey. So yeah, that's why I'm starting so many different things. I'm going to try my best to start my seeds on Sunday the 23rd. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens though. Like, it's been so cold, and again, I just don't want to bring it into my house, but it seems like I'm going to have to. I'm gonna just go to the store and get like a tablecloth, like a disposable tablecloth, because I don't want that on my table, y'all. So again, look for in the future, probably next Friday, I am going to post me starting my seeds. I'm going to try to post every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from now on. I was trying to find like a good rhythm of when I should actually post, and I feel like Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be a good time to post. So tune in every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to see how my second year of gardening is going. We all know it's going to be struggling. Yeah, we all know I'm a struggle, but I am going to stick to it. I am going to try my best to stick to gardening. I'm not giving up because as you guys see, I didn't put too much money into this. I ain't giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I want to grow my own food. I want to know where my food is coming from, which will be, of course, from me. I want to know what was put into my food, what was sprayed onto my food. I don't put nothing on my food, you guys. If the bugs get it, they're just going to get it. And guess what? I'll learn a different way. I do need to learn more about companion planting. I don't quite, I mean, I understand it, but I just don't, I don't know. It's like a lot of research. So when I plant my tomatoes, for instance, what would be some good companion plants that go with it? Should I plant onions with them as well? Like green onions or just regular onions? Same thing when it comes to peppers. What's going to be a good companion plant for that? I'm still researching that stuff. There's just so much when it comes to gardening. There's so much to learn and so much to take in, and I'm just taking it all in one day at a time. I also need to research what not to plant with certain things, like watermelon. What should I not plant close to watermelon because it will cross pollinate? I could never remember. Like, can I plant just regular watermelon and another melon close to each other? Or should I not do that? I cannot remember. And that's why you guys are always so helpful. And I can ask these questions and you can tell me. I tried looking it up, but I don't think I'm wording it the right way when I look it up on Google, because it just tells me some crazy stuff. And I'm like, okay, that's not what I was looking for. But thank you anyway. But if you guys can tell me what I should not plant close together, like if I plant everything that I said earlier, with all of that stuff being by each other, be fine. Also, again, what can I not plant close to watermelon? I don't know why I can never remember. Hopefully one of you guys will scream at me in the comments, but like, Evita, you cannot plant such and such with watermelon. Get it through your thick skull. I don't know. We'll see. How has the weather been where you are? Our winter here in South Carolina has been so brutal. Like, I know not compared to where people have been getting like a ton of snow, but usually we don't get any snow. And for it to snow twice in 1 month, that is unusual here in South Carolina. I've been in South Carolina since 2011, so 14 years. Like, I moved right at the beginning of 2011, so I've been here for 14 years already. And we got snow like every 6 years, it was seeming like, and it will only snow one time. But this year it has snowed twice. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what is this? I moved away from Ohio because I wanted better weather. But of course, the snow doesn't last. It doesn't really stick. And by the next day, matter of fact, by the afternoon, it's melting and the sun is shining. Like, hey, gotcha. We were just playing. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in any of my other videos, but I am going to be away from all of my plants and whatnot way across the U.S. on the West Coast for 3 weeks, you guys. So I have to depend on my family to water all of my plants and keep my seedlings alive, you guys. I'm going to be stalking them like, listen, I need you to FaceTime me. I want to see what my babies look like. I need to make sure that you have been watering them. I need to see if they thirsty or not. Like, they gonna get tired of me. I feel like my family gonna block me when I go over to the West Coast. Going to the West Coast, my niece is having her first baby, so I'm going over there to help her. And of course, because I love babies, my sister's on the West Coast as well with my niece. But I feel like, hey, it takes a village to raise a baby. So I'm going to help her and her boyfriend out with the baby over there for 3 weeks. Hopefully the baby doesn't come soon. Anyways, you guys, I'm getting off topic. Anyways, you guys, so I'm almost done with cleaning off the greenhouse. As you guys can see, I am just rinsing it off really good. And doesn't it look so much better? You can see like actually through it. I mean, before it just had like dust or dirt, whatever you want to call on it. But now that it's like extremely clean, it looks so much better. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm using a different hose because the other hose exploded on me. So she has 2 different hose hookups, water hookups. I'm not sure what they're called, but she has one like in the back so she can fill up her hot tub, and then she has one on the side of her house. That's the one that I mostly use for my garden. So it was a struggle to get the one from the back of the house over here to reach the greenhouse. It barely reaches it, so you guys see me struggling trying to rinse off the back of it, but eventually I do get it done. I am just excited about how cool it looks and how clear and clean it looks. You guys, I'm rinsing off my boots because here in the South we have that red soil and it was all over my boots. But anyways, back to the greenhouse. I feel like it's so clean and it looks so good. Please do not forget to leave in the comments what type of shelving I should get. Should I get metal? Should I get wood? Or should I put some plastic shelving in here? All right, I am finally finished. I think that took me about an hour, but I am about to cover up the broccoli. I'm gonna leave the collards and the kale uncovered. Tonight it's going to get down to like 25, and I know broccoli doesn't like it below 25, so it said it's going to be like 25. So just to take that precaution, I'm just going to go ahead and cover up the broccoli. Back to the shelving, I know that underneath it is going to have some type of airflow, so I'm not going to get like flat plastic or flat wood. Take a shower and edit this video because, baby, I am filthy. Pretty sure I probably said it in my voiceover, but the hose exploded. That's why I have on a different jacket. My sister's, I don't know whose jacket it is, but somebody's jacket she let me use. I was going to leave the door open to the greenhouse, but I don't know if it's going to be windy, so I don't want it to, I don't know, should I leave it open? I don't want it to, like, be windy tonight and it blow away, and then I'll be super sad. So you know what, we actually have a sandbag, so I'm gonna grab that sandbag and put it in front of the door. Disgusting, sorry y'all, but put it in front of the door so it doesn't blow away. There we go. So yeah, so this can air out, and I'll come back tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna come back tomorrow, maybe afternoon, and put the black stuff. I can't even think of the name of the cloth, y'all. Y'all know I'm still learning. But again, that black stuff that I have up under the raised bed right there, I'm gonna come and put it under the greenhouse. I probably also put some paper, like some cardboard or something under it as well. But thank you all so very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.